Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress of a Python program I wrote, my first Python program. And the meaning of this program is to make some passive income by automated trading on the Nasdaq. And in a daily report, I tell you guys what I did change in the code, how the bot did, and if we did make some profit or had some losses for the day. And today it is, and I want to say it to you guys, it is the 1st of January. So, January 1st. I wish you all a Happy New Year. Give you all a lot of love, happiness, and health for the entire year of 2025. And if you want to know how we did it in the bot today, just stay. And I start with the changes in the code. And if we look at the code, we don't see much changing. I did not change a lot, although I restarted the bot today twice because I make a bigger distance in the stop distance. I started with 10 yesterday, and during the day I pumped it up to 15. And now I have the stop distance made up to 20 for the last couple of hours before I went to France and have my Sylvester evening and have fun. And so that's the change in the code right here. And I changed also in the code the take profit moment from 15 up to 20 minutes before we had a take profit moment. And I changed also, and I have to take a look at where is the breakout sell MACD, there it is, the check 3 candle percentage. I changed this one too to 15%. As in, I want to have that there is only a buy or sell when 3 candles together have a change of 15. And I added a printout in the advisements. I print out for the conservative buy and sell, and the printout for the breakout buy and breakout sell. Because I had the suspicion that there is not enough conservative buy or sell, and everything happens is only the change buy or sell. And if I look in the total, if you look right here for today, from market closed, we've got a change buy, a breakout sell, again a change sell, and with a breakout sell, wow, a change buy, a change sell, a change sell, buy. All you see right here is all change buy or change sell. And these weren't a lot. You see, while I restarted the bot, there were only a couple of change buy and sells and some breakouts, but none of those were the conservative sell or the conservative buy. So I suspect that there's no correct order in making a buy or sell decision. And tomorrow is not a market day. It's midweek. It's January 1st. So there's no market. I will check this tomorrow if I can change this into what it should be with a buy or sell with the MACD values. It didn't do that today at all. And that's not good. That's not good at all. So I want to see tomorrow what went wrong. Those were the changes I made today in the code. As I announced yesterday in the last report, then we're going to take a look at the bot. And if we take a look at the bot, you see that the final start I had was 4:15, and the total profit since start is 0.0. And somehow this is strange. It could not be that there is a perfect. That's what when you get this, then there's a perfect up and down. So we made as much losses as that we have profits, that they equalize each other out and made exactly 0.0. That's not good. But for anything else, the bot does what it should do. Again, no errors. But we want to know how we did it on the market. And let's take a look at the market. And if we look at the market, we see that there was a lot of ups and downs, red and blue. And the guys who are following the channel now know that the bot isn't that great in handling all those small ups and downs in the way it happened today. So it wasn't that great. And while I was with friends at the party, I got a lot of reports of stop losses. That's, of course, that's the only way that the bot end a position is with a stop loss. And it could be a stop loss profitable, but could also be a stop loss with losses. So let's take a look at the reports for today. And if we look at the reports, and I go back to the early morning, we see we had some smaller profits or smaller losses, and one big profit, 35 in the morning. And then later on the day, you see a lot of small, not small, but 13 and 12 are large stop losses. And so something is wrong right there. And then we had some smaller stop losses and take profits right here. And again, later on the night, we had almost a lot of stop losses with high stop losses and no take profits, as in take profit with a high profit that compensates for the stop losses. So we can say this was a disastrous evening, disastrous day, because we started today with 842 and we ended today with 747. That's on €5. We're talking about a €100 loss today. And that is not good. And we know, if we look at the market, that these kinds are not the best way for the bot to make profit. And we cannot help it, because if I'm gonna change the code that he doesn't respond to these smaller issues, while there is a gigantic explosion, like the windows are shaking right here. If I gonna make smaller decisions like this out of the bot, it won't open any positions at all. So mixed emotions right here. Did we do well or didn't we do well? I don't know. The losses is almost 100, so that doesn't tell me we didn't do anything well. But I also see that the market has a lot of ups and downs, and I know that the bot cannot handle these smaller ups and downs in the total handling of making profits. So what I'm gonna do, I do not know. I will let you know not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna make the changes, but I will let you know on Thursday in the daily report what I changed in the bot to make some kind of better decision with the strategy we're using based on ChatGPT's strategy. And that's it for today. It's a short one, of course, because there wasn't that much to tell. Almost no changes in the code. The bot functions perfectly, and the market was highly volatile, and the bot could not handle these small stuff. So, if you like the video, please press like, and while you're down there, maybe a good point and a good moment in the air to hit that subscribe button. It's good for the channel. I would love if you do this, and you will get notice when there are new updates about the bot. If you want to talk to me and give me some feedback, feel free. I want to know what you think about the project, so leave a comment. And if you want to know more about the bot, then you can find in the description my Discord server, so you can ask me questions about the bot or anything else you want to talk about with the bot or the market. And if you want to know how we do it and you want to copy the bot's decisions, and not the decisions he made today because they weren't that good, but if you want to see and copy the decisions, then you need the Twitch channel also, and you can find the Twitch channel in the description too. And if you want to be a Patreon and support me in my work of getting this profitable bot ongoing, then you feel free. There is a Patreon link in the description too, but I don't expect anyone to actually do this. So, for you all, this was it, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and all I have to say is, have a little fun every day, also in this year. See you guys in 2 days.